Hey guys, in today's tutorial I want to show you how you can connect Google Analytics with your Squarespace website, because recently Google Analytics switched to a new type of code that doesn't really work with Squarespace websites. So you still need to use the old Google Analytics code, and if you're just getting started setting up both tools, I want to show you how you can properly connect it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Analytics website, and then you're going to click on Start Measuring. And then you're going to create your account and go through the setup process. So let me quickly fill this out. And once you filled out the account information and reviewed the sharing properties, you need to create a Google Analytics property to measure your web and app data. So we're going to give this property a name, and this is for a brand new blog I'm setting up. And obviously you need to select your time zone. Now you need to click on Show Advanced Options, and you need to make sure that you click on Create a Universal Analytics Property. Otherwise you won't be able to connect it unless you go back and do this. So click this, toggle it to on, and then you need to input your website URL. And now it'll ask you if you want to create both a Google Analytics 4 and a Universal Analytics property. You can switch between the two views, and basically if you only create a Universal Analytics property, you will be able to switch later on if Squarespace ever decides to update their code to make the Google Analytics 4 property work. So basically you can either opt to create both Google Analytics 4 or a Universal Analytics property, or just the Universal Analytics property. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. So I'm going to go with both Analytics 4 and a Universal one. Click on Next. And then you're going to basically enter information about your business. And here you need to select how do you want to use Google Analytics. Basically, what do you want to use it for? So tick anything that applies to your website. For example, you can measure customer engagement, optimize your site, increase conversions, measure content monetization. Basically whatever applies to you, you can tick this box and then click Create. And then you'll have to accept their data processing terms and read their terms of service. Once you've done that, click on I accept. And now you're going to get the web stream details, which is basically going to be the measurement ID that the G4, the new property, will use. And it'll ask you if you want to use new on-page tag or if you want to use an existing on-page tag. You can exit out of this, and then because we are going to grab the code that we need as soon as we get out of this and get to the code. You can basically select, this is how you want Google Analytics basically to email you and tell you how your property is doing in terms of traffic and whatnot. You can opt out of this and just click Save. You can opt out later. So once you've exited out of that and configured your opt-in settings for email from Google Analytics, you're going to click here under Data Streams. Make sure you're on the Web tab over here, and when you click on it, you're going to click on Connected Site Tags, and then you'll see the Universal Analytics code, which is what we need. So you're going to click on that to copy it, select it and copy it basically. And now you're going to go into your Squarespace website, and you're going to go under Settings, Advanced, External API Keys, and under here where it says Google Analytics account number, you're going to paste that in. You're going to hit Save, and then Google Analytics will be connected to your website. It'll start receiving data from your website. And that's how you can connect Google Analytics with your Squarespace website. And if you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments down below. And if you like this video, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you get notified as soon as I release another awesome Squarespace tutorial. That's it for this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye!